Welcome dear viewers to the video on extended release drug delivery system types for the oral route. This video is related to the ER formulations, their types for the oral administration. This is the second part of the extended release drug delivery system for oral route series, and in this we are going to see what are the types for the ER formulations, mainly for the oral route. So this video will give you information about the types of ER formulation, or you can say MR formulations. There are different types of extended release formulations, and these are involving, or these are divided based onto the some mechanisms for the release, or the mechanism for controlling the release. Different types are like diffusion mechanism based, reservoir based, dissolution controlled mechanism, swelling and erosion mechanism, osmotic mechanism, resin based products are there involving the use of resin, and using the smart type of polymers and self control systems. In this video we are also going to see what are the advantages and limitations for the ER formulations. I have made a video on extended release drug delivery system for oral route part 1. It is given onto your screen, so you can go to this video and learn the basics for ER formulations. This video is mainly for the types of ER formulations for oral route. See, there are various products available in the market which are based onto different mechanisms and release principles. Out of those, only the main products or main types for the ER or MR formulations I am going to discuss. So mainly the types are matrix system, reservoir system and osmotic system for the oral drug delivery. There are some other formulations also which involves the different mechanisms, but these products are not that much popular and they have some disadvantages. Three main systems for the MR formulations are matrix, reservoir and osmotic. So matrix system may be with the use of hydrophilic polymers or excipients, hydrophobic matrix excipients. These may be in the form of monolithic tablet, single tablet, or these may be formulated as mini tablets or pellets. These formulations may be also layered tablet or compression coated tablet. Matrix tablets can also be manufactured by bilayer technology, which can give the two release patterns or can involve the combination of two APIs. Then coming to the reservoir system. The reservoir system are mainly the coated pellets, beads or mini tablets. These may be the monolithic tablets on which the coating is applied. These may be monolithic coated tablets with or without the immediate release coat of other drug. The third one is osmotic system. Generally, these are monolithic tablet which are coated with the semi-permeable membrane, or these may be push-pull type of system in which bilayer tablet is coated with the semi-permeable membrane. The push layer doesn't contain the drug, the pull layer contains the drug. So these are also available as coated layer tablets and coated or layered beads. Now coming to the hydrophilic system, matrix system. Here you can see These particles you can consider as drug, and these are matrices in the polymer, and that matrix system is compressed into tablet. This system involves the use of hydrophilic polymers. Drug is dispersed throughout the polymer. This polymer may be hydrophilic or hydrophobic. For the present slide, it is hydrophilic polymer. The main advantage of hydrophilic matrix system is that it can incorporate high dose of drug. So high drug loading is possible. Example is metformin HCl ER tablet, which can accommodate 1000 mg dose of metformin hydrochloride. Another advantage is that release profile can be tailored as required. You can increase and decrease the amount of pore former and channeling agent and polymer, and you can get the release. So this is the most popular, most economic and easy for manufacturing. These may be having the mechanism of erosion, drug diffusion or swelling and erosion control. Mainly polymers are HPMC, polyethylene oxide, carbopol and some other polymers are used for making the hydrophilic matrix system. Now coming to the hydrophobic matrix system. It is similar to the hydrophilic matrix system, but the polymers are hydrophobic, which are insoluble or low swellable or having no swelling property, and in these polymers the drug is dispersed. This hydrophobic matrix system can accommodate low to high drug loading, and for this system low soluble drugs are not suitable because the polymer is also low soluble, and if you incorporate the low soluble API, so you can get the problem of incomplete release. So it is difficult for the low soluble and high dose APIs. These are also easy to manufacture type of formulations. The hydrophobic matrix system involves the use of different polymers and sometimes the fatty materials, which can give the hydrophobic matrix system. These may be having the two systems like homogeneous system in which the drug is dissolved and the heterogeneous system in which the drug is dispersed into the polymer. Second system is reservoir system, and as the name indicates, reservoir is the system in which the drug is kept into the system like container, and the drug comes out of that container or coated system at a controlled rate. So these are the membrane controlled and have the constant activity. These may also have non-constant activity or maybe having the membrane matrix combination. So both can be done, like you have made the matrix system and then you have applied the coating, or you have just made the matrix system and then you have applied the coating. So the examples are pellets, multiple layer coated pellets or beads, which can act as the drug reservoirs. And by making the different population of these beads and pellets coated with different Vedian coating and containing different dose of API, you can have different release profiles. So various release profiles can be achieved. Drug release may be affected by the dissolution, sensitivity to pH, RPM of the apparatus or the media volume. And these systems have better tolerability, consistency and less variability in the bioavailability because these are small beads and reservoir systems. The main limitation is drug loading. High drug loading is difficult The process of manufacturing is challenging, and in this system, hydrophilic hydrophobic polymers can be used. Generally, pellets are made, and these pellet system or multi-particulate system is suitable for pediatric patients as well. And sometimes these can be administered with the soft foods. So these are the different types of ER formulations. The third one is osmotic system. So osmotic system involves the use of osmogen, and the core is coated with the semi-permeable membrane. Mainly, if you see the osmotic tablet, it will have the mechanism of osmotic drug core, semi-permeable membrane, and the razor drilled exit hole. So water will come from this surface of the semi-permeable membrane, and the swelling will happen for the polymer, and it will be coming out of this hole. I am going to make separate video on these systems, and in that video I will cover this topic in much detail. So this is introduction type of slide for the type of ER formulations. So these are elementary osmotic pump, microporous osmotic pump, lasered drilled layered osmotic pump with push-pull or push-stick type of mechanism. Use of the hydrophilic polymers is there. Drug is dispersed in the polymer and the osmogens are used. Then these are coated with the semi-permeable membrane, and then laser drilling is done to make a exit hole. High drug loading for this type of formulation is problematic, challenging to manufacture, and the best advantage is that you can achieve the zero order release with the osmotic system. So this is the reason for making the osmotic system, that zero order release of the API can be achieved. And another advantage is the release is very less sensitive or not sensitive to pH, RPM and media volume. Coated monolithic tablet, layered tablet or coated beads are possible through this osmotic system. Mainly the swelling type of polymers are used, like HPMC, polyethylene oxide, carbopoles. Cellulose acetate is used for semi-permeable membrane. Ethyl cellulose and many others are the polymers. Osmotic agents are also known as osmogens, like sodium chloride is there and mannitol is there. Some other osmotic agents are also there. So these are the types of extended release drug delivery system for oral route. I hope you have got good understanding from this video. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.